let me. Like a river, my waterfalls will break down and let me. You gon' get soaked, so bring a raincoat. When we finish, you gon' see a rain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. A couple of the products that I use today are from PR. I'm on the PR list for KEYYSGLAMTRAPP, and that's how I created, you know, all of this right here and stuff like that. So as I'm going through the video, sorry y'all, I'm just like all over the place, but as I'm going through the tutorial, my voice is like leaving, but as I'm going through the tutorial, I'll be telling you the products that I'm using that are hers. It's very affordable, pocket friendly. I really love the way this lip gloss feels on my lips. It's really, really soft, and it has like the glitter in it. I'd have to like get a close up so you guys can see the glitter on there or whatever, because from far back it just looks like it's regular glitter. But in person, if you was looking at my lips, you would see that all the glitter, it's like a purple glitter in there. I did use the Alyssa Edwards palette, and in here it's supposed to be blue, but it came out purple. Whatever, I just really wanted it to be blue, but it just didn't come out blue. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.